Hi, and welcome to Ramp's Advisor Console. You'll start by logging into Ramp. On the left-hand side, you'll notice the navigation bar. You can click where it says Advisor Console and switch between your different client accounts. You can access client pages, team members page, and the partner status rewards. At the bottom of the navigation bar, you'll notice an interactive demo where you can play around with Ramp. You can also access the Accounting Partner Resource Center, our Standard Help Center, and settings at the bottom. Let's start by clicking into the team members page. This will show all team members who have accepted your invite to join you in Ramp. You can invite new team members by clicking Bulk Invite or Invite Team. When you click into Invite Team, you'll notice that there's Console Admin or Console User. Console admins are super users within Ramp. They can invite other team members, access all client accounts, and modify roles for others. Console users are only able to access clients they are assigned to. They do not have edit permissions on the Advisor console to add themselves to new clients. Once you select the role, you'll input their email address and press Send Invites. Next, let's click into the Clients page. This will show all clients that your team is currently active with on Ramp and any pending client requests. If a client adds you to their Ramp instance, you'll see this appear on this page. You can either click Accept or Reject if this is not a client that your team works with. To add a new client to Ramp, you'll press Add Client at the top. You can start by either referring a new client to Ramp. You'll input the client's email address and your desired permissions. If you would be administrating Ramp for their team, you will select Administrator. If you are only helping with bill payments, you will select AP Clerk, and if you are helping with bill payments and accounting, you will select Bookkeeper and AP Clerk. If you would like to connect with a client already on Ramp, you can choose the second option. You'll input your desired permissions, and then you can either send an invite via email by inputting the client email address, or you can copy the link below. This will allow you to drop the link into an existing or new email thread with the client to get connected. To assign a team member to a client account, you'll click into the client's name and press Add Your Team. You will see all users that are currently active in your team's instance on Ramp. You'll select the permission set and press Add Team Members. If you would like to check out your partner status, you can do so by clicking into the partner status page. This is how you can keep track of your referrals and your partner tier. You will see all referrals listed below and any pending or completed referral payouts at the bottom. At the top, you'll see your partner status. In this example, you'll notice that I can unlock bronze with 3 more referrals.